Health professionals at the medical laboratory at the Port Moresby General Hospital are encouraging people to take care of their own health. Medical Services Director from POMGen, Dr. Kone Sobi, says antimicrobial resistant or AMR is a huge task and the health workers are doing their best to solve this threat.
Especially the bacteria develop resistance to the conventional and all antibiotics that we have been using. That is recognized globally as antimicrobial resistance. Now that's a big concern for health industry worldwide. If we have microbial organisms developing resistance to the chloramphenicol, the amoxicillins that we've been using, and various other, it makes it very challenging and difficult for us to manage patients with antibiotics.
He says one way they are looking into addressing this issue is to identify the organism.
The clinicians, doctors can prescribe appropriate. As you know, in this country we have irrational dishing out of antibiotics, especially in the community. And that's one thing we want to stop as well through these interventions and through this awareness.
Medical microbiologist Dr. Gabriela Egg explains this ongoing threat.
Microorganisms actually replicate, multiply to actually protect themselves from stimulus from outside. So antibiotics are seen to be stimulus that are harming them as well. So in the process, when we kind of expose them to repeated antibiotics, they then internally develop themselves to actually fend themselves from those bugs. So this is actually our problem, antimicrobial resistance in a nutshell. So we've had this problem, but we just haven't had the funding, the capacity, and when I say capacity, that's manpower, the specialist manpower, as well as laboratory infrastructure, machines to be able to diagnose and then make that available to the clinicians to use that evidence-based result to treat our patients.
As it stands, health workers are doing their best to find alternative solutions to reduce this problem and have also called on the people throughout the country to follow health rules as health is everyone's business. Jim John, National EMTV News.